Hi there, I'm Jamie with Vizbl, and today I want to talk to you about one of the most important topics in modern e-commerce, and that is the difference between AI and AR technologies and how they completely change the customer experience in online shopping. Now, a lot of people hear the words artificial intelligence and augmented reality together, and they think that they are very similar technologies. But, ladies and gentlemen, in reality, they solve completely different problems. So, I think the easiest way to explain the difference is this. AI is designed to create an emotional and visually impressive experience, while AR is designed to create confidence and real understanding before purchase. And this difference is extremely important for both businesses and consumers. Now, let's go ahead and start with AI. So, today, many online stores use AI try on technologies for industries like fashion, jewelry, furniture, cosmetics, and home decor. Usually, these systems work very simply, right? The customer uploads a photo of their room or their face or body or hand, and AI generates a new image with the product added into the scene. So, for example, a bracelet appears on your wrist, or a sofa appears in your living room, or clothes appear on your body, or even a brand new TV appears on your wall. And honestly, the results often look pretty fantastic. The images are beautiful, they're polished, they're emotional, and quite frankly, they're very attractive. But there is one important thing to understand, and that is AI is not trying to show reality. AI is trying to create the best possible visual impression. So it improves lighting, it improves textures, it improves proportions, it creates the most attractive version of the product in your environment. Ladies and gentlemen, in simple words, AI wants to make the customer feel happy. Even an average product can look amazing inside an AI generated image. And quite frankly, this creates both an opportunity and a problem. The opportunity is obvious. Beautiful visuals help increase attention and emotional engagement. But the problem is that customers may receive something different from what they had imagined. The generated image may not represent the real size, the real proportions, the real material, or the real fit of the product. And this is why many customers feel rather disappointed after delivery. So it's very similar to food advertising, right? Sometimes you see a burger in an advertisement that looks absolutely perfect. Professional lighting, styling, editing, everything looks incredible. But when the real burger arrives, well, it looks completely different, right? The customer kind of feels tricked. And this is the risk of AI generated shopping experiences. They create emotional excitement, but not always realistic expectations. So now let's talk about AR, augmented reality. AR works in a completely different way. So, AR does not generate a fantasy version of the product. Instead, it places a real scale 3D model directly into the customer's real environment using their smartphone or tablet camera. And this changes everything. Now, the customer can actually understand, does it fit? Is it too large? Is it too small? Does it match my furniture? Does this TV look too big on my wall? Will this rug fit my room correctly? Does this lamp work with my ceiling height? AR gives customers spatial understanding and purchase confidence. And this becomes incredibly powerful for products where size and placement matter. So think about furniture, rugs, TVs, fitness equipment, appliances, wall art, lighting. fireplaces, and many other home products. For example, imagine buying a rug online. With a regular photo, it's almost impossible to understand the real size, the real texture, or how it really works with your furniture. But with AR, the customer can place the rug directly into their room and see it under their existing furniture in real scale. So I've got three examples I want to play for you here on the screen. The first one is going to be a fireplace. As you can see, oh, look at that. The fireplace is actually being positioned as to where it would actually go so you can see in real time. That's example number one. Here is a vending machine. So as you can see, the vending machine is going to be coming up. It's going to be placed up against the brick wall on the sidewalk so you get a exact version as to what that would look like. And we also have our third example here, and that is wall art. Where would it go on the wall? How can I space it out? We can do all this prior to the purchase. That is simply amazing, if you ask me. So there are a couple examples for you there. This is going to create a completely different level of confidence before purchase. And at Vizbl, we focus on creating highly accurate AR experiences with ultra realistic 3D models and optimized performance for mobile devices. Look, our goal is not to create a fantasy. Our goal is to help customers see the real product as accurately as possible before buying. Because when customers clearly understand what they are purchasing, well, they're going to feel more confident, they're going to make better decisions, and businesses will receive fewer returns. And this is one of the biggest differences between AI and AR. AI creates inspiration, AR creates certainty. AI helps customers imagine possibilities, while AR helps customers verify reality. And this is why I believe that the future of e commerce is not AI alone or AR alone. The future is the combination of both technologies. So AI can inspire the customer, AI can generate ideas, AI can create beautiful concepts and personalized recommendations. Then AR can help validate the final decision by showing the actual product in real environment at the correct size and proportions, right? This combination creates both emotional engagement and practical confidence, and that is exactly what modern e-commerce needs. That is why at Vizbl, we didn't stop at building a better augmented reality platform. We asked ourselves one simple question: how could augmented reality become truly intelligent? For years, AR has been able to place digital objects into the real world, but it couldn't truly understand the world around it. Well, that changes today. Vizbl is introducing ARI, Augmented Reality Intelligence, the next evolution of augmented reality where artificial intelligence is built into the core of the technology. So instead of simply displaying 3D objects, ARI understands environments, recognizes surfaces, generates and adapts content in real time, optimizes rendering for every device, and enables intelligent interaction between people and the physical world. This is an AI added to AR. AI is built into the core of AR. ARI transforms augmented reality from a visualization tool into an intelligent spatial computing platform. This changes everything for developers, for businesses, for commerce, for the future of spatial computing. At Vizbl, we believe the next generation of augmented reality must be intelligent by design. And that's why we're building the world's first infrastructure for ARI, a new category, a new platform, a new era. We believe ARI is the future of augmented reality. Augmented reality intelligence, invented by Vizbl. Welcome to the future. All right, guys, thank you very much for your time. If you would like further information, please check out the description of this video below, or you can contact sales. I'm Jamie with Vizbl, and we'll see you in the next one.